Hi children, this is PS Rao from DAV Model School, Palvancha. In the previous video, we discussed about what do acids as well as bases have in common. Now, let us discuss about an experiment. Electrical conductivity of acids and bases. Aim to observe the conductivity of hydrochloric acid, alcohol, glucose, and sodium hydroxide. Materials required for this experiment: beaker, two graphite rods, bulb, connecting wires, and 230 volts AC supply. Procedure: prepare solutions of glucose, alcohol, and hydrochloric acid. Arrange the graphite rods as electrodes in the beaker as shown in the figure. See the picture. The beaker consisting of hydrochloric acid. Two graphite rods are suspended in the hydrochloric acid. The ends of the graphite rods are connected to the bulb through the AC plug. Connect these graphite rods to 230 volt AC supply through a bulb with two different colored wires. Pour some dilute hydrochloric acid in the beaker and switch on the supply. We will notice that the bulb glows in this hydrochloric acid. Repeat this experiment by replacing dilute hydrochloric acid with alcohol as well as the glucose, and then we observe the bulb does not glow. Alcohol and glucose are soluble in water, but they does not produce any ions in water. They still present as molecules in water. So, current does not flow through alcohol and glucose solutions. In hydrochloric acid solution, H plus ions are present, and these ions are responsible for conductivity and acidic property for HCl. Next, testing of the conductivity of bases. Repeat the above experiment with sodium hydroxide solution. We observe that the bulb glows. In the beaker, the chemical reactions taking place as follows. Sodium hydroxide, when dissolved in water, produces sodium ions and hydroxyl ions. In sodium hydroxide solution, OH minus ions are present, and these are responsible for conductivity and the basic property for NaOH. Conclusion: when acids dissolved in water, they produce H plus ions. These H plus ions are responsible for electrical conductivity. When bases dissolved in water, they produce OH minus ions. These OH minus ions are responsible for electrical conductivity. When the substances like sugar and glucose, etc., are dissolved in water, they still present as molecules and does not produce any ions. So, they will not conduct electricity.